Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. Here in this video, I'll show you two methods to make taskbar transparent. So the first method is using the Windows settings. For that, here on the search option, search for settings and open it. Here click on personalization, then click on color and simply turn on the transparent effect. This will add transparent effect to your taskbar. However, if you want a complete transparent effect, then you need to install third-party application. For that, simply open Microsoft Store and search for translucent TB and select the application from the search result. Now click on Get and wait for the download and install process. Once done, it will be added to your Windows system. Now to open it, simply click on this open button. Here we have the welcome page. Here simply click on continue. Now here you can see here we have a complete transparent taskbar. However, you can further customize the transparency. For that, simply click on this system tray icon. And here you will find translucent TB icon. Right click on it, then click on desktop. And here you can select your accent. So that's it. This is how you can make the taskbar transparent in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.